Hey guys, what's up? Bobby Shahzad here, and today we are going to learn how to create a social proof inside your funnel. So let's go to funnel settings, then go to the social proof. Okay, so you see three options here. Enable social proof, I will on, enable social contact, and then the third option is enable line notify. I'm going to explain what all these three are. So when you enable the social proof, it will show a pop-up on your website. Every time a visitor comes to your website, they will see who else is also purchasing your product. So if somebody just purchased your product, it will show their name and their location, and this will give a social proof about your product, and this will also boost your conversions. So people will trust you more. That it will create a kind of a crowd effect, like people are buying your product, more and more people are buying your product, so they will also be looking to buy your product because they feel more comfortable. So this is the time between two notifications, so I'll keep it 10 seconds or maybe 5 seconds. Rotate order count, this is how many orders must be rotated. So last 10 orders will be rotated this way. Okay, the social contact is when you want to show some chat icons on your landing pages, so they can directly chat with your Facebook page, or they can directly chat with your line messenger or WhatsApp or phone number. They can also call you from here. So you just save your Facebook page ID, WhatsApp number, line notify URL, and then you can also put your phone number here. So I'll show you how this works in a moment. And the third option is line notify. So what is line notify? I'll show you in a moment. I'll just save it for now. Okay, then we go back to our order page and preview it. So as you can see guys, this pop-up is appearing. This is the social proof basically, and then you see this chat icon, so my visitors can directly chat with me via Facebook Messenger or Line Messenger or WhatsApp or phone number. So this really shows how the social proof works. Okay, so last 10 orders will be rotated and people will see who purchased my product. Now I want to show you how the line notify will work. So let's go to the social proof, and then if you go to this screen, you will see that it is asking you to provide the line token. Okay, line token. So how will you generate line token? By the way, line is a very fast growing messaging app, mobile messaging app, just like WhatsApp, and it is also very business friendly. So first of all, you have to go to notify-bot.line.me, and you also must go to your app store and download the line application from your app store, from your mobile app store. Okay, so now you go to the login. Okay, so notify-bot.line.me. Okay, now log into your account. Now go to my pages and generate token. Okay, I have already generated the token, so I don't need to. So after you have generated the token, you will put the token here, copy and paste, and then you will come here and you'll start typing like customer first name, and then you will go here and select the first name. Okay, so last name, and then here and put the last name, and then order summary. Okay, so you want to show the order summary here, so I think that there must be some field here for the product summary, product name. So I'll put the product summary here. So I'll save this, but there is a default message. You will be able to copy paste as well. I'll just save this. Now what will happen is, whenever somebody place an order from my funnel, I will get an alert on my line notify Messenger on my mobile phone. So this is how the Line Messenger works, and it is very, very easy and convenient to add the Line Messenger, because Line Messenger gives you instant alert whenever somebody purchases your product. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the social proof. I hope you like this video. We'll be back with more tutorials very soon. Thank you so much.